So we've seen what happens when objects move. We looked at the kinematic equations, we looked at calculating the net force and seeing and describing how different forces affect objects. Now what happens when objects actually interact with each other and collide into each other? So this is what we're going to look at today. So first of all, what is a collision? It is basically what happens when two or more objects hit or crash into each other. And what this means is there are two types of collisions, and the first one is written right here. Elastic collisions are when objects or the objects colliding bounce off of each other. So for example, suppose you have ball A over here heading towards another ball B, which is heading towards ball A as well. In this scenario, if it's an elastic collision, then ball A is going to get closer to ball B right until the moment they crash or collide. And in this moment, what happens is ball B will want to bounce away. So its velocity will go into the opposite direction, just like ball A, as it heads towards the other direction. So their velocities change. First, ball A was going towards the right, and now ball A is going towards the left. And similarly, ball B was going towards the left, now it's going towards the right. So in collisions, we can notice that it is very important to consider the before and the after. What is happening before the collision, what is happening after the collision. And the before will, of course, be causing the after. And we're going to see that mathematically as well. We can have another scenario where ball A, for example, is not moving. So consider this scenario where ball A is static, it's not moving at all, and ball B is heading towards it. Suppose ball A and B have exactly equal masses. In this particular situation, ball B is going to head towards ball A until it hits it. And in that moment, because of this collision, the momentum is going to be transferred to ball A. So ball A ends up moving towards the left. And ball B will end up being static. It's not going to move anymore. So similarly, we have a before and after image. So we have the before image where ball B was heading towards ball A, and we have the after image. This is the before. And we have the after image where ball A now is moving to the left, while ball B is simply static. And we can see calculations in both of these cases. Now, for the sake of this video only, we're going to ignore the calculations and focus only on these two cases and this definition.